In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your spending limit in the Barclays app. This quick update can help you stay on top of your day-to-day spending, add an extra layer of security, or simply give you peace of mind when managing your card. Start by opening the Barclays app and logging into your account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your accounts and cards. From here, tap your cards. This takes you to a screen showing the cards linked to your account. If you have more than one, take a moment to pick the correct debit card you want to manage. Selecting the right card is important because limits apply to the specific card you choose and won't automatically carry over to any others. After you've selected your debit card, look for the option labeled Spending Limit and tap it. You'll see controls that let you adjust how much you can spend using that card. Now, set your preferred limit. You can choose any amount between $0 and £1,000. Think about your typical daily purchases and what feels safe and practical for you. A lower limit can help protect you from unexpected charges, while a higher limit offers more flexibility. If you set the limit to $0, it effectively stops spending on that card until you raise it again. When you're happy with the amount, confirm the changes. The app will save your new limit, and in most cases, it takes effect right away. While you're here, it's worth exploring the card limits and controls section. This is where you can fine-tune other helpful settings, such as your contactless limits, ATM withdrawal controls, and the ability to block certain payment types. For example, reducing your contactless limit can add a little extra security for tap-and-go payments. Tightening ATM withdrawal settings can help you manage cash access. And blocking specific transaction types can prevent payments you don't intend to make. And that's it. Your spending limit has been successfully updated. If you don't see the spending limit option, make sure you've selected a debit card and check that your app is up to date. A quick refresh or reinstall can also help if the menu looks different. You can return to these settings anytime if your needs change, so feel free to adjust your limit as your spending patterns evolve.